Allah, by the permission of you dear students and Mr. Farid Ibrahimi, today I'm going to be your assistant lecturer of Mr. Farid Ibrahimi, and today we're going to study a lesson called HTML attribute. I hope that this lesson ends up being enjoyable and also attractive and you guys learn something of it. HTML attribute. It defines the characteristics of an HTML element and is placed inside element's opening tag. What this means is that it defines the characteristics of an HTML element. For example, we write a simple word called school, and once we take our cursor to that word, it will tell us it will give us more description of that specific word, and it's placed inside element's opening tag. For example, we open the paragraph tag and then we write the title tag, and we write this in the element's opening tag, for example, and the inside the title tag. HTML attribute is divided into two parts, name and value. For example, the weight is a name and its value can be 30. For another words, also we can say that its name can be image and its source is its value, because image is name and its source where the picture is its destination, and that's why we call it value. So let's head over to the laptop and see, and let's practice it so we could learn it more.